Don't share your big dreams with small-minded people. Look for big-minded people, and they will cause your dream to become bigger.
Today, we're going to be talking about how to identify trend, right? How to identify trend in the market, right? So now I'm going to explain it to you the simplest way possible. How do you identify trends? Now, remember that for a bullish trend, right? For a bullish trend, we have what? For a bullish trend, so I'm just going to use the short form of that. A bullish trend, we already know, consists of what? Higher lows, right? And higher highs. Do you understand? Right? So the moment you start seeing this on a particular time frame, it means that on that time frame, it is what? Bullish. The moment you start seeing lower highs, right? And lower lows, right? On a particular time frame, do you understand? It means that what? It is what? Bearish. Do you understand? It means that that trend is what? Bearish. Because the time frame differs. You can be seeing a bullish trend on the 15 minutes, and on the 1 hour, you are seeing a bearish trend. It's very, very possible, right? So the time frame differs, right? So the moment you start seeing this, you already know that a bullish trend consists of what? Higher lows and higher highs. And a bearish trend consists of what? The opposite, lower highs and lower lows, right? Now, having this analogy at the back of your mind, as simple as it is, right? How do we identify a typical trend in the day-to-day market? How do we do it? It's as simple. So this is what we do. This is what we do. Now, on this 4-hour chart, what can we see? What can we identify here? It's as simple. For you to get your trend right on the time frame, try to use this tool. Go to your trading view, look for geometric shapes. Okay, geometric shapes will help you. All these tools are there to help you, to guide you, to be able to analyze properly. And you can see it on my screen. You can see my cursor, the part 2, right? You click on it, you can see I favorited it. So how do you know what trend is this? It's as simple. You can see from this low, we had this high, we had this low, we had this high, we had this low, we also had this high, we had this low, we had somewhere around here, right? This high, and then we had this low, and then we had this high, we had this low, we had this high. So now, you can see that the market is not as perfect as some of you may think, right? Because most of you think that a typical market just moves like this. This is just a textbook. This is just a textbook move, right? You can see this is an uptrend, but it was not moving perfectly, right? But this is a typical uptrend. And how do I know? It's as simple. We already said that a bullish trend consists of higher lows and higher highs, right? And what can we see? We can see that we are having higher lows. I'm going to mark it for you. We are having what? Higher lows, higher highs, right? Higher lows, higher highs, right? We had another higher low, we had another higher high, right? We had another higher low, we had another higher high. So it's as simple. So this is how to identify your trend. So on this time frame, I can easily tell myself that yes, USD card on the 4-hour time frame is what? If I pick my trend tool and I just put it, I know that this trend is what? Bullish. Do you understand? So that's the simplest way to identify your trend. You either use the path tool. That's why I keep saying that the basics of Forex are very, very necessary. Because these are the things that you're going to be using when analyzing. The basics, the simple things. I already know that a typical bullish trend, a typical bearish trend consists of this and that. I'm going to simply look for those things on the chart. It's as simple as that, right? I hope you understand how to identify a trend. So right now, on this time frame, USD card is bullish. Kindly hit the subscribe button. Don't forget to turn up your notifications because I'm going to be bringing more easy and simple gems like this.
And one of those big-minded people is standing in front of you.